Okay, hi guys. This is Thais from Brazil. I'm here just to trying to teach you how to light a fire. The first thing you gotta know about lighting a fire is that you're gonna get your hands dirty, and there will be like people telling you that you can make it without making your hands dirty. That's a lie. Just gonna take more time, and then in the end, your hands are gonna be dirty. So what do you do? Right in the beginning, just put, like the big pieces. You gotta grab the big pieces. Grab the big pieces. What you wanna do? You wanna do a pile. That's what you wanna do. Big pile, to get the oxygen going, You need the oxygen. Just make a huge pile. You don't wanna have, carbs for all over the place. You wanna have a big pile, and you wanna have room for the oxygen to go and make the fire. I know you have been to school, so you know what I'm saying. And just get the big ones. You're gonna see my hand. It will be dirty. But about the thing about dirty hands, that you can wash them. So this is not for only guys. You woman, you can do this. You can do this. And let's see. When you have like about half, I would say like a third, a third, you see? It's like a triangle. Can you see that? Show them. It's like a triangle. It's pretty good. You don't need more than that to make the fire, because you will need more wood to make the fire to keep going, right? So don't take it all. Never take it all, actually. Just think about it. Never take it all. Leave something behind, to the rainy days. Maybe the day you do it, you have some help. I don't, so I have to do all by myself, and I have to get a little bit dirty. What do you want to do here? It's alcohol. That's a liquid alcohol right there. See, it's pink. You're gonna get it. You're gonna put it in the end of the pile. That's the very important part. So you put right there in the pile. That's why you don't want it all filled up, right? You want a room, and now you make it, like a cabin. And with the pink thing in the bottom, you have to be able to see it, because you're gonna fire it. Right? Can you see it? Right there. Right there, you see it? Okay. Okay. The second thing about making a fire is you have to know how to blow it, because there's not enough fire that you can make that could be the oxygen. Oxygen is your best friend here. So what you want to try to do is find some a little bit more alcohol to help. But I could do without this, but with this is just a little bit simpler. So you just drop a little bit there, a little bit there. It's gonna be fire everywhere. What do you do with this? It's just making air. It's not rocket science, it's not anything. It's just something that is blowing, It's blowing my face all day long. Pretty nice. But you're gonna need one of those when you're doing fire. So like if you have like a child or like a baby, or someone that is not old enough, then you should tell them to back a little bit up, because you don't want these children to get hurt. And now we're trying just the big fellas and the ladies, the big ladies that can do it and make a fire. If this thing blows, I would just like to say that I loved my life and I had a great one. Let's try it. Okay, that's the first fire right there. It's gonna begin to start. The thing about lighting a fire is you have to be patient, You're not gonna get all right in the first time. Okay. Yeah. So now we're gonna try, bring some oxygen to there. You see it's almost there. You see how the oxygen brings, you know, the fire everywhere? What do you want to do? So now it's just gonna take a while, but you know, nice talking to you guys, man. When you're in Brazil, please don't call me. And I got my own problems. Just be it. Be it.